Wow! Please subscribe to my channel. Cute! Yes! Please like my video. We need purple paper, cardboard, glue, pencil and ruler, scissor, cutter, black pointer, purple color. So let's start. Mark on 1.5 centimeters. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching and keep smile.